Okay, the 14th and final rounds of the evening will be taken by Dylan Pepper versus Tom McCall. Both these gentlemen have had white collar fights before. Talking to their trainers, that both have got decent power, decent shot selection, decent reach, decent fitness. So it's a question of who wants it more on this particular bout as to who will take the honours. Tom needs to be a little bit careful of that. He drops his right hand before he fires it. That becomes a pattern that Dylan picks up on. That might be something to be countered. Nice jab, 1-2. Again from Tom. Dylan coming forward, putting the effort on, they're getting clipped in the process. End of round one. Quite an even round. Tom, in my opinion, landing the better shots. But there's very little to decide between those two gentlemen. So second round. And once again, it seems to be Tom that finds the mark. Although Dylan coming forward and pushing heavily with some decent shots of his own. Most landing on the guard, but that's still, you can't disagree that the power and pressure moving forward was definitely coming from Pepper. Tom taking his time, seeming to swing the pendulum back the other way now. Better, clean, more eye-catching work coming from Tom. But Dylan has shown in the past he definitely has power that needs to be respected. Quite an even round this second. No one really took charge of it. So it seems to be the third and final round that will be all to play for. Finn Cross in Pepper's corner. Extremely talented young amateur boxer. And Aaron Davis in Tom's corner in the red. Seems to be Pepper that's landing most, but definitely took one in return from Tom. No one really going to the body as of yet. It could be the deciding factor. That was a nice left hook. That right hook, sorry. Right hook there from Tom. Landed on Pepper's jaw. But he's still not out of the game at this point. Very, very close, well matched fight. Decent body shots going in there as well. And sure enough, that might be the deciding factor. Seems to be body shots that's causing the damage. Well, what was a close fight has certainly swung in the direction of Tom's corner. And that's enough. The referee's seen enough. It would have been quite interesting to see if the referee had heard the count, maybe let him go to the last 10 seconds and finish the fight out. But what a great fight, well matched up to that point.